right, Kima, you want to try this, whatever it is, Bao Zhu Zhao Fu. Sometimes you do good on it. Can we go to nickels or something? All right, the volume's up. Let's do it. Money's up. Here we go.
Come on, bonus.
Wow. I don't know. Nickels may not be the answer today.
Come on, trainer. I don't know. Come on, bonus. Shopping cart.
Wow, we can't make it pop. What do you want to do? 264. Of course. Do it. Oh, you jerk. Nah, I think we're dead. Now, that was a waste of money. Couple more spins, we'll get out of here. Unless it did it. It was, I scared it. I said we were leaving. All right, you got double pop.
Welcome to Ultra.
It's
with
only
double
pennies,
up.
but we got the bird. Friend the bird. Get some big numbers, honey. Minis 20, minus 40.
Raise up. How?
Age is 700.
Come on. How? Sip. Thank you.
All right, bird.
Big one. Bird. Come back, bird. No vacation. Come on. How? Thank you. How? Come on, bird. No vacation. Sip. How? Thank you.
You gotta save that top one.
Big one. Bird.
That was it, bird? Only $1?
Come on, sip. How?
All
Thank you. How? Down. How? Thank you.
You saved them both. Oh, $5 bird. All right. $3 bird. Another dollar and another one. No. All right.
Sip. How?
It's still kind of small numbers.
Thank you.
Sure would like to see you get some words up there. $1. The bottom bird went to the bathroom.
Thank you.
All right. Come on, big one. $2. Another one. Only that one.
Come on, sip. Please. Down. How? Thank you.
Nice.
How?
$6 with a bird.
Big one.
You gotta save the bottom one this time. You can do it though.
Come
It's your
on, sip.
Kima.
How?
Nope. But you got a good top one. Come on, we need one word. Just
Come on,
one.
sip.
Major. M-A-J-O-R. Another one. Another one.
Sip.
Come on.
How?
Word. All right, you saved it.
Big one. Big one. Come on.
You know what this means, right?
Yes.
You gotta get it.
Come on, how? Middle. Do it.
I don't see any.
Come on. Boy.
Come on, baby. All right, give us a good bird. $5. Beautiful. $2. Nice. $5 again. That was a good bird. But you know what that means? You gotta get this one right now.
Come on, bird. Simple.
I don't see any. Pow! Not bad, not great. That's pennies for you, though. Pretty good for $1.76. All the firecrackers are out. You think you can do it again, or you want to move on? Move on, she says. Let's see how much money we got at the end. All right. We started on this machine with 266. Now you got 316, so you're up 50. I think, well, no, we put a little bit more in before. I forgot about that. I want one spin. And it didn't work. All right. Almost.
Come on, bonus. Come on, bonus.
You're not talking very much.
Come on, double up.
Is that because you're losing? Yeah, I know.
Come on, bonus.
Kima gets kind of angry when she loses now.
Come on. Come on.
Me too. Ah, double pop. The neighbor got a double pop.
Come on, bonus. Now. My God, now.
Oh, I want that one. $40. Oh,
Come
all
on,
them
now.
wilds and nothing?
Come on. There better be bonus, please.
All right. You just can't win a lot here.
Now, Jimmy. Yes.
Double pop. We didn't get the double up, but you got a double pop. All right.
Welcome to Ultra with extra spin.
I sure wish we got the double up. Thank you, Jasmine. We're using the Lucky Legion method today.
Come on.
Well, it's true.
Come on, pop. Thank you. Come on, bird.
Oh, get a word. Bird is the word, but major and minor are better words.
Come on.
Oh,
Thank you.
well, all right.
Come on, see. Pop, big one. Word. Why no word today?
Yeah, we're not getting many. Keep them coming, Bird. Another one, another one. All right.
Come on. How?
more spins to get 3 more balls.
Come on now. How? Big one. What do you want? Sip. How?
At least it's 2 cents. I wish it was nickels, but
Come on, sip. How?
all right, last chance. But you can save it. Save it.
Save it. How?
Oh. All right. Not too bad. Just not too good. Where are all the $400 wins like we get at Sabova? Yamava, you got to do better. $57. All right.
Come on. Kima.
Oh, $17 bonus. What kind of bonus is that? All right. A little better with your uncles this time.
Come on now. Double up.
She wants the double up and the bird. Ultra spins.
Come on.
Double up. Triple pop would be good right now. You did it. You asked for a double up, and I gave it to you.
Double up.
You talking today?
Yes.
All right, double up.
Yes. Come on. Wait. How? Wait. Big one.
That was a little.
Big one.
At least it's nickels this time, huh?
Come on. Yes. How? Wait. 100.
I wish we had the bird, though. The bird really helps.
Come on. Yes.
How about some words since we don't have the birds? Hey, that rhymes.
Come on.
I'm a poet.
Sip. How? Thank you. How? Sip. How?
Kima, I'm seeing the words go by. Can you make them stop? All right, she's doing voodoo to stop them.
No. Thank you. No sip. Come on. No sip. Another word. This time sip word. How?
Careful.
Come on. Word.
You can do it. Oh, you need one on the bottom. You gotta get the bottom.
How?
Another one. No. All right. 3 more chances up top. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Double up.
Come on. Word. Thank you.
Hey, one more, honey.
Come on now.
I don't see any.
5,000. 5,000. 5,000. Come on. 5,000.
Come on, honey.
Come on. 5,000. 5,000. How? No sip.
It's over. Yeah, you got a couple good ones. Better than the last bonus. Got our money back. It started with 50 here, but that 50 used to be 100.
6. My money.
Oh, you had free play too, yeah. Okay. So what do you think? You leaving?
Yeah.
You're not gonna try a backup spin? No?
Yeah. You wanna?
I don't wanna. I wanna know what you wanna do. You got $3 extra. Do one. See what happens. You might get the purple one. I would love the purple one. Bao Zhu Zhao Fu. Bao Zhu Zhao Fu.
Come on, Nicholas. One just pick it up. You
All
ready?
right, I'm ready, but I don't know
Come on,
about this
please,
nickel
please.
bet. We're getting beat up too hard
Come on now.
today, but maybe you can get it.
Yes. I can do it. Come on.
of my cards.
Come on, bonus.
We're getting killed. I don't like it. I can't, honey. We just can't do it. We're losing too fast. Look at all that. Do it, please. What is going on? I don't know. All right. Had me worried. Still a little worried, but the bird can be good.
Ultra bonus.
Ultra bonus.
Come on, bird. No vacation, come back. Pow,
Hey, that bird's on vacation?
pow.
Oh, we need some bigger numbers.
Bueno, bird. Vacation. Please, mini, minor, laser.
Sorry, go by.
Come back.
Here's your bird. He didn't give you very much, though.
Come on now.
We really want to get a word, honey.
Come on.
Are you using your power? Yeah, you used it that time. All right.
Just one. Come on. Laser, please, mister. Laser. Come on now.
Bird's a little
Pow.
stingy. You gotta get one this time, okay? It's very important.
Come on now. Sip. Pow.
Oh. Oh. All right, bird.
Come on, sip. Pow. Come on now, sip. Pow.
You gotta get one, baby.
Come on now, sip. Pow.
No. Oh, minor. Almost. Not very big. We got our money back, but it's not enough. I want to go, but you want to stay?
Chippity pop.
Do it.
Yes.
You got a double.
Double.
That's okay. Those are the two good
Welcome
ones.
to Ultra with double up.
Welcome to Ultra. You happy now? Maybe. She says she's a little happy now.
Come on.
Gotta get a lot of birds.
Win, please, win.
The birds save you on this game.
Yes.
Oh, we need bigger birds.
Come on. Win, 100 minor. Come on, now. Come on, bird. Big one.
We're not getting any coins at the bottom.
Come on now, sit.
She did a double reverse voodoo on that one, and it worked.
Big one.
Your voodoo worked.
Come on, sit.
Uh-oh.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
How about a big one?
Come on, Sip.
Need
How?
bigger numbers. Next time you push the button, think about big numbers. Hey, I don't know. We gotta try something.
Come on, Sip. Big one.
Neighbor got a bonus.
How? Thank you. No vacation word, please come back. Big one. Come on, Sip. How?
Oh, it's looking like better than the last one.
Thank you. Big one. Big one. Come on, no, Sip. Top. Top.
Now the top's done. But you saved the bottom.
Big one.
All right, Bird. Keep giving us big
Come on,
numbers.
Sip. How? Word. Thank you.
A minor right now would be great. $100.
Come on, Bird. Sip. How?
Uh-oh. The pow. The
Sip.
pow
Sip.
factor.
How? Sip. How?
Uh-oh. Big one, Bird. $10. Come on. $20. Come on, Bird. Last
Come on now,
chance.
Sip. How?
Do it.
How? Aye.
Get it.
Big one.
That's good. You got a good bird.
Come on, Sip. Yes. How? Middle. Big one.
Oh,
Bigger.
beautiful. $50.
Yes, bigger.
All right.
Thank you.
That's the bird we were looking for.
Come on. Big one. How? Middle.
Do it again, bird.
Here. How?
Do another 1,000. That was an awesome bird.
Come on, Sip. How? Bird.
It's over, but you did all right.
Big one here.
Doesn't matter where they put it. That's a good one. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's see how much you want. Pretty good. Nice.
Yes. Oh, money back.
Yeah, we're not losing now today. Oh, it's a rough start.
Thank you, Bird. You helped me. Thank you so much, Bird.
All right. Now, I don't think we're going to stay here.
No, I changed another machine. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Happy.
You're not smiling.
Smiley.
All right. What about Dollar Storm? Want to try those next? Maybe. We'll go look. Thank you. I've been waiting for you to do that. Hold on. All right. If you like Kima's videos,
Thank you, everybody. Please like and subscribe.
that's right. You did it good this time. We'll see you all when she finds a new machine.